Hey guys, in today's video, I just want to go over a free tool. It's called AI PRM. This is an extension for your Google Chrome browser. And what it's going to do is basically give you templates for Chatgpt. So once you install this extension, just go to aiprm.com, install the extension for free. And once you do that, go ahead and log into your Chatgpt account and you will see this box here, which is a new box. Okay. Now, if you look at this icon right here, AIPRM, go ahead and click that icon. You're going to see all of these templates that you're able to use. So this tool is going to make your life so much easier, and it's going to free up so much time for you. You're not going to have to sit here and think of a prompt to come up with for ChatGPT to give you the answer you're looking for. You can just come in here and type in whatever it is you need. If you need a YouTube script for a video, just type in YouTube script and come down and look at the prompts. So when I typed in YouTube script, you'll see all these. You got an article to YouTube script prompt. So this is a template. Now, if you have an article from a blog that you've done and you want to turn it into a YouTube video script, you can just click on this template and paste in your article, and it will create you a perfect YouTube video script. Okay, so here's an SEO YouTube script creator, and it says one-click SEO for YouTube script creator, video title, description, tags, hashtags. So it's going to provide you all of that just off of a brief idea that you give it. So basically what this tool is just plug and play templates, and it saves so much time. It's really, really awesome tool. If you're using ChatGPT, I highly recommend you guys download this and test it out for yourself. You'll see how much time you're going to save. It's going to make it a lot more consistent with the results that you get. Okay, this right here gives you a script, an intro and outro, and 2 catchy title ideas. All right, so this is just going to save you guys so much time. I really, really recommend it. Okay, guys, so let's just go ahead and try one of these out just to give you guys an idea of how this works. It's extremely easy. It's very simple, very straightforward. Okay, so let's find one that looks good. We'll go with this one. YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok video script generator. So all I'm going to do is click on that. And as you can see down in this box, it now has the title right here: YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok video script generator. All right. And it says right here the examples. So a video script generator. So we're just going to give it an idea of what we want the script on. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and say how to start a faceless YouTube channel in 2023. Okay. Now go ahead. You don't have to even mess with any of these parameters. You can just do it just like that. Leave it on default and go ahead and click enter and scroll up, and you guys can just close out this little window. Anytime you want to do a new prompt, you just click on this icon here and it'll bring this window back up. So for now, we'll just close that out while ChatGPT is creating our script. Let's go back to the top. Let's see what it's done. So as you can see, all we did was enter this very, very brief sentence, not even a full sentence. And look how much we got back. Okay, it says, hello and welcome to today's exciting discussion. Are you intrigued by the idea of starting a faceless YouTube channel in 2023? Well, you've come to the right place, because in this video, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of creating content while keeping your identity a secret. Whether you're a privacy enthusiast or just curious, we've got you covered. So as you can see, it's going to save you so much time. And speaking of faceless YouTube channels, you guys can check the links in the description below. I have a link for Pictory, and I also have a code that's going to give you 20% off. So you can try out Pictory for free, and you can get a code to get 20% off of your subscription, which is a great deal. And it's going to save you so much money. So if you want to start a YouTube channel, a faceless YouTube channel, instead of going the Fiverr route where a lot of people tell you need to hire a script writer, you need to hire somebody to do the thumbnails, you need to hire somebody to do the voiceover, okay? You need to hire a video editor to compile all the clips. Instead of doing all that, click the link below. I have a link for InVideo, okay? One click, you put in a prompt, one click, and you'll get a video out that's perfect for YouTube, okay? It's extremely simple, and the price of this is going to be so much cheaper than if you were to try and go and hire all these people to do this for Fiverr, okay? How do I know that? I did it myself, okay? I went through all that, and I've spent a lot of money on that, and I realized that I can do it all myself with Pictory or with InVideo, which I've done for my other faceless channels. Okay, so if you're looking to, just if you don't want to work a 9 to 5 anymore, if you want to transition into making a full-time living from YouTube, go ahead and check the links in the description. I also have a link to a course that I took that was extremely helpful, and it actually really is what propelled me to the position that I'm in right now, and why I no longer have to work a 9 to 5. I can work basically from anywhere as long as I have my laptop with me. So if you guys are interested in that, go ahead and click the description below and you can check out those links. I'm going to stop talking about that and get back to what we're talking about right here. So AIPRM, guys, go to the website, download the free extension. You're going to save yourself so much time when you're working with Chatgpt. Okay, as you can see, look what you can get from one simple little sentence. Okay, and like I said, it's not just for scripts, it's for anything on Chatgpt. They got over 4,000 templates on this website, and they're all for free. So go ahead and download the extension, and I will see you guys in the next video. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and check out the next video. I'll see you there, guys. Have a good one.